Hey guys, it's Dr. Roberts, your Madison and Goodlettsville Chiropractor, and this video, I'm super pumped about this video. Now, when we started the keto lifestyle, one of the first recipes that we tried was called Bulletproof Coffee. And if you've never tried this, I'm going to show you how to make it today. And I highly encourage you to start trying this because, honestly guys, I was a little weary when we first dove into this, when I saw what goes into this coffee, and I was like, I don't know if this is going to be right for me. But I tell you what, out of all the things that we've started, out of all the things that we've tried, this by far is one of my favorite things, and I'm going to show you how to make it right now. Ignore Lola in the back. She's going crazy. So first and foremost, we've already made the coffee here on the Keurig. It doesn't matter what kind of coffee you're using. I recommend organic coffee if you can do that. But we've already brewed the coffee, and I'm going to show you what goes into it and how to do this. So again, we're using the Magic Bullet here. And we're just going to dump the coffee into the mixing cup. Try not to spill it. And although this is hot, it's still going to mix up just fine. It's going to work just fine, so don't worry about that. Now, the next ingredient that we put in here is a scoop of coconut oil. Now, I know that sounds a little weird, sounds a little gross, but I'm telling you what, it's really going to make a huge difference. And it does taste pretty good. Now, I don't really measure it out. I just get a decent spoonful. Drop it in there. The heat from the coffee, we'll let that slide right off. We get this at Sam's Club. Any type of coconut oil should do the trick. We're going to get that out of the way. The second ingredient, and this is the only two ingredients that I use, guys, but you can do lots of different stuff. The second ingredient, slab of butter. Drop that in there. Again, the heat from the coffee, it'll slide right off. Now, I'm going to talk to you guys about butter for a little bit. I've gone on this rant before. If you have margarine in your house, in your refrigerator, throw it away today. Do not consume margarine. Everything that you've been told about butter and margarine is a lie. This is healthy for you. This is organic, unsalted, pasture-raised, grass-fed butter, and this is not unhealthy. You should be eating this butter. It's good for you. So, I'll get off my soapbox about that. So now we've got coconut oil and butter in the coffee. Guys, that's it. That is the basic ingredients. You can add other stuff. You can add cinnamon. You can add spices, whatever you want to put in there, just to mix it up a little bit. But honestly, I've been doing this the whole time, pretty much every day. That's all I put in there. So again, just put this on top. Put it on the Magic Bullet. Turn it on. Couple seconds and you're good to go. Now, as a warning, the lid can sometimes get tight due to the heat, so just be careful when you're taking this off. And there you go. Honestly, guys, it looks like a latte. I don't know if you can see that there. I don't want to tip it over and spill it, but it's really frothy. You can drink it straight out of this, put it back in your coffee mug. I usually put it in a to-go container just so I can take it to work with me and it stays hot. But this is going to be tons of fat for you, no sugar, no sweeteners, and this is definitely keto approved. It's Dr. Roberts approved, and I highly encourage you to start doing Bulletproof Coffee today, whether you're keto or not, because this stuff is legit. It's the best stuff that we've done since we started this lifestyle. Guys, if you have any questions about Bulletproof Coffee or anything like that, leave a comment below, and we'll see you next time.